coins. Pinocchio's nose started growing long whenever he led to Blue Fairy. Pinocchio's ears started growing big when he went to Toyland. In the end, he became a real boy. The moral of the story is we should obey our parents and elders. Hello friends, during my summer holidays, I read the story of Cinderella. In the story, I love Cinderella character the most because she's a beautiful girl with kindness, politeness and gentleness. She loved the people who just not deserve to be treated with such respect. So I liked her so much. The moral of the story is we should be kind to everybody. Thank you everyone. Hello guys, my name is Trisha Gupta from class 2 of VDPS. My story name is Cinderella. My favorite character is Cinderella. She is very hardworking and loving person. And she is also the heroine of the show. And her real name is Ella. She believes that good things happen with good people. And then she becomes a princess by marrying Prince Charming. Moral of the story is there is a great strength in kindness. Thank you. I'm so hungry. Oh, look at that way. There is one crow. He has piece of bread in his beak. How should I take piece of bread with it? I have a plan. Crow, you are so handsome. You have to be a king of birds. Huh? He's not opening his mouth. I know. I want to do more buttering. Your voice is so sweet. Can you sing the song for me? When Crow opened his mouth, piece of bread fell down and clever fox pick the piece of bread and run away with it. Moral of the story is don't fool by others. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And my favorite stories Hazel and Gretel. My favorite character is Gretel. She was very intelligent girl and brave girl. She was without any fear. She fights bad witch and kills her with her intelligence and save her brother's life. Thank you.